Good afternoon, everybody. Stephen from Break Free Homestead. Today, it's 41 degrees. Super weird out. Look at the yard. Got a few days of rain a couple days ago, so definitely looking weird getting our grass back in January, but I'll take it. I mean, besides the mud, which really sucks, it's nice out. The kids are riding their bikes. It's perfect. On that note, it's time to take out our Christmas lights. They're kind of sagging. The ice from the roof, when it was covered, was pushing the clips off, so they're all dangling. Luckily, our blow-ups were uncovered by the ice and snow, so that'll make it easy to get it out of here right now. And I'm gonna do it before it snows again. Comment down below if you're getting some abnormally warm weather for January. I think I'm gonna win. Get the race sled, kid. Okay, go.
Let me get the race sled, okay?
Go for it. I'm gonna talk it all wet. All right, we're moving the race. We're going over here now. So I don't go into the bushes again. That was great. Okay, that's gonna be it right here. Hold on a second. 2, 3, go.
The winner is Cottage!
All right, Bear, what do we do today?
An arm wrestle!
Arm wrestle, not yet, but we had fun playing outside in January in the winter, which is pretty crazy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we also did our Christmas lights, right?
Yep.
Because it's not Christmas anymore. Unfortunately, right?
Yeah.
We like Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what do we say to everybody?
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you go down below, hit the subscribe button.
How to?
How to what?
Like,
How to subscribe to Break Free Homestead?
yeah, I want to watch your video.
You want to watch it?
Yeah.
But you're on it. You don't need to watch it.
But I want to watch it.
Okay.